Today we are here at Infiniti International Motors to check out the prices of affordable foreign used cars and Nigerian fairly used cars for you to buy. This car is going for 8.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This car is going for 10.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This car is going for 12.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Go to the comment section now and tell me the type and price of car you're looking for, and I will make a video about it just for you. This car here is going for 13.2 million naira and slightly negotiable. Wait, don't make payment for any of these cars until you have done your physical inspection and test drive.
My name is Christian Owolakebeleme. You're welcome to Empress Vania Solicity Charity Useni International Motors Nigeria Limited. If you need any of these cars, call these numbers 070 26.
So watch this video to the end, make a choice and call the phone number at the end of this video to contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation. This is a foreign used Toyota Corolla 2018 model black color. This is the engine, 4-plug engine. This is the interior, the fabric seat interior, the clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, automatic transmission. This is the back seat view. This car is very clean. It has a sealed roof, 2018 model sport edition. It has a reverse camera. This car is going for 17.5 million naira and it's slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Infiniti QX60 2015 model. Let's see the engine. This is the engine, V6 engine. This is the interior, leather seat interior, the clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, thumb start, automatic transmission. This is the back AC vent right here, the back seat view. It also has a third row seat. As you can see it has a panoramic roof, 2015 model. It has a reverse camera. Like and share this video. Follow us on our YouTube channel, Video Map TV. Now. This car is going for 17.5 million naira and slightly negotiable. This is foreign used Ford Explorer 2012 model. Let's see the engine. This is the engine, V6 engine. This is the interior, black seat interior, the clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, automatic transmission. This is the back seat view. You can see it also has a third row seat, AC vent on the roof. This is the sealed roof, 2012 model. It has a reverse camera. This car is going for 13.7 million naira and slightly negotiable. This is another foreign used Toyota Matrix 2010 model. Let's see the engine. This is the engine, Dove VVT 4-plug for economical engine. This is the fabric seat interior, the clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, automatic transmission. This is the back seat view, comfortable for 3 persons. It has a sealed roof, 2010 model. This car is going for 13.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Toyota RAV4 2008 model black color. Let's see the engine. This is the engine, VVT 16 valve 4-plug engine. This is the interior, fabric seat interior, the clean dashboard, sound system, factory fitted AC, automatic transmission. Here you go, the back seat view. See, it has a sealed roof, 2008 model, and this car is going for 13.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is foreign used Ford Edge 2011 model. Let's see the engine. This is the engine, V6 engine. This is the interior, the steering, control buttons, the clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, automatic transmission, back AC vent right here. This is the back seat view. It has sound system at the trunk. It also has a panoramic roof, 2011 model limited. It has a reverse camera. This car here is going for 13.2 million naira and slightly negotiable. This is foreign used Toyota Highlander 2006 model. Let's see the engine. This is the engine, VVT V6 engine. This is the interior, ventilated seat interior, the clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, automatic transmission, back AC. This is the back seat view. You can see it has a sunroof, 2006 model. This car is going for 12.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Pontiac Vibe 2009 model. It has a 4-plug engine. This is the interior, black seat interior, the steering, the clean dashboard, sound system, factory fitted AC, automatic transmission. Here you go, the back seat view. As you can see, it's how clean the seat is. It has a sealed roof. 2009 model. This car is going for 10.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is foreign used Toyota Matrix 2004 model. Let's see the engine. This is the engine, VVT-i 16 valve 4-plug engine. This is the fabric seat interior, the clean dashboard, sound system, factory fitted AC, automatic transmission. Here you go, the back seat view. You can see it has a sealed roof. 2004 model. This car is going for 8.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Then 3 cars will advise people to buy today and why.
Okay, we have Sienna, we have Corolla, we have Pontiac. They are economic to maintain and they are full economic.
What will you advise people to watch out for when buying a foreign used car?
They should watch out for rust. They should watch out also if the car got into swamp. They were affected by cold. They are waterlogged. There are some of the vehicles that comes with water in it. You should look out for those things too.
Name one car you would not advise anyone to buy today and why.
And there is no car I would not advise anybody to buy today because it depends on your choice. You have to make your choice. When you make your choice, I cannot advise you against your own choice because there are different things that you need in a car.
Do you swap cars?
We do swap cars.
Where do you get your cars from?
We get cars from importers. Large importers who have not got car shops.
You rent cars.
Yes, we rent cars too.
Are the prices of your cars negotiable?
They are negotiable.
Do you accept instrumental payments?
It depends on the initial payment you make first. It depends on the agreement we reach with you.
What is the price of the cheapest car you have here in your dealership for now?
The lowest one is Nigerian used cars. We have Passat, then we have Pathfinder. They are going between the range of 3.5 million to 2.5 million and all that.
Why are the prices of foreign used cars and Nigerian fairly used cars going up these days?
It's the tariff, import duty. Import duty is very high because you cannot sell below the price you imported the cars.
Do you do car delivery services to your buyers?
Yes, we do. Deliver.
Are your cars stolen cars?
No, we don't buy stolen cars. All our cars, we have documents backing them up from those who imported it and from the owners we collected the car from.
Please ensure that everything is working perfectly well before you make any payment. Even if you no one buy any car, I beg, like and share this video. Follow us on our YouTube channel, Video Map TV. Now.
My name is Christian Owolakebeleme. You're welcome to Empress Vania, Solicity, Charity, Useni International Motors Nigeria Limited. If you need any of these cars, call these numbers 070 26 96 7897 070 33 73 6281. Then WhatsApp. Our address is number 5 Okota Road, Isolo, Lagos, Nigeria.